Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to enable or create a guest user account on Mac. Click Apple icon, click System Preferences. Click Users and Groups. Click the lock to make changes. Type password, unlock. Click Guest User. Check Allow guests to log in to this computer. Click the lock to prevent further changes. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.